Actually, Jodi needs a fresh cauliflower for a recipe she is making. She's asking you to bring her one. So I need to bring Jodi a cauliflower. Luckily, I have one. I actually planted some random seeds in my garden. I actually got the cauliflower from it. And of course, it's a spring plant, but if you don't have it, you can always buy it from Paris General Store. And of course, if you got the cauliflower, let me show you where we can find Jodi's home. Just follow this path. And you can see this house. And of course, we can only go inside after the 9 a.m. So we can just collect something from the garbage if it has any. But I couldn't find anything, so yeah. After 9 a.m. we can able to go inside. And I gave my cauliflower to her and we got quite a bit of gold, right? Yeah. Let's see how much we got. I think we got decent gold. Let's go back to our house. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.